In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide a column in Google Sheets on desktop. If you're working with a large spreadsheet, sometimes you don't need to see every column all the time. Hiding a column keeps your data intact while clearing visual clutter, making it easier to focus on what matters. The best part is that nothing gets deleted. Everything stays exactly where it is and can be brought back in a click. Start by opening your Google Sheet in a desktop browser. Any modern browser works well. Once your sheet is open, look along the very top of the grid where you see the letters A, B, C, and so on. These letters are the column headers. Click the letter at the top of the column you want to hide. You'll know it's selected because the entire column will highlight. Next, right-click directly on that column letter. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click usually brings up the same menu. On some keyboards, you can also hold Control while clicking. A context menu will appear with several options related to the column you selected. Choose Hide Column from that menu. As soon as you do, the column will collapse out of view. You'll notice the column letters on either side come together, and between them, you'll see a small arrow indicator. That arrow is Google Sheets' way of showing that a column is hidden in that spot. Your data and formulas remain untouched. They're just not visible for now. Hidden columns are also excluded when you're scanning across the sheet or printing, which can simplify your view and outputs. When you're ready to bring the column back, click that small arrow. The hidden column will immediately reappear in the exact position it was before, with all your data, formatting, and formulas preserved. If you hit a column by mistake, you can click the arrow right away to restore it, or use Undo if you prefer. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Hiding a column is a display choice, not a security feature. Collaborators with permission to edit the sheet can unhide columns if they choose. If you're working with sensitive information, consider placing it on a separate, access-controlled sheet. Also, if the arrow is hard to spot, try slowly moving your mouse across the column letters. When you hover near the gap, the arrow will become visible. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, select the column letter, right-click, hide it, and use the little arrow to bring it back anytime. With this simple technique, your Google Sheets can stay clean, focused, and easy to navigate.